Fleet managers like Dave are burdened with managing so many aspects with so little time in the day. Whether it's maintaining vehicle and equipment, inspection compliance, fuel monitoring, vehicle locations, or managing drivers and maintenance staff, the list is never ending. Trying to juggle all of this in spreadsheets or legacy systems is time-consuming, inefficient, and important items are often forgotten, costing time and money. Introducing AUTOsist Fleet Management Software. AUTOsist's easy-to-use web-based fleet management software allows Dave to track and manage his fleet in one dashboard. With AUTOsist, Dave has a centralized, convenient system to develop preventative maintenance schedules for each type of vehicle and equipment, receive reminder notifications for due soon maintenance, assign work orders and track service records for his assets, and verify vehicle inspections for issues and compliance. He also can manage parts inventory at shops across multiple locations, monitor fuel purchases and expenses directly from fuel card transactions, pull real-time odometer readings with GPS integrations, and create custom fleet reports for maintenance, expenses, and more. Along with an intuitive mobile app available for Apple and Android devices, Dave can assign vehicles and equipment, and maintenance staff can then update work order statuses and parts inventory used for service, allowing Dave the flexibility to manage his fleet entirely from a mobile device wherever he may be. For greater control, Dave tracks GPS locations and added vehicle safety cameras through Azuga's GPS and camera systems, which all integrate into AUTOsist. Dave tracks real-time vehicle location, odometer readings, and gets DTC code alerts to begin repairs immediately. He's also able to manage driver behavior with scoring and in-cab alerts for safety violations like speeding or harsh braking. Gain peace of mind knowing your team isn't driving distracted and your organization is protected from the costly risk of accident faults. Now, Dave has greater visibility and control over his fleet operations to make sure his fleet maximizes productivity and asset value while running at peak performance. See why so many fleets are saving big on time and money with AUTOsist. Managing your fleet just got easier.